Find out how this became inspiration for an emerging iconic brand. In this video, learn a little bit more about our story, how our concept and logo was born, and what our culture is all about. But first, sauce the intro. In our last video, we chopped it up, got to meet each other, talked a little bit about the brand and what the channel is about. And today, we're gonna dive a little bit deeper. So let's recap our story. Sauce Myself was born out of inspiration to be free with creative self-expression. In summer 2020, during the pandemic, I bought my first board and it opened up a new world of fun. The brand was created to share my passion of Eskate and fashion. The mission, to connect people of all backgrounds with the hobby of Eskate. All right, so that brings us to our next discussion. So what exactly is Sauce Myself? Well, before we get into that, let's get into a little fun fact. What she said. So originally, Sauce Myself was based on a prior idea I had to create gourmet sauces. And even the clothing was going to be sauce themed and reflect some of my favorite sauces such as ranch. But upon further research, I soon came to find out that it's a pretty hefty startup fee to create a sauce and manufacturing and making the recipes and everything. So that idea was soon shelved, and so was the name Sauce Myself. And then Eskate happened, and Sauce Myself became a great play on words. Sauce Myself means to adorn oneself with your own creative sense of style. Now I know you've heard of words such as dope, drip, and fly. Well, these are all just words that mean awesome. Sauce Myself means I don't need a stylist, and neither do you. Your own sense of style, or what we like to call sauce, is what makes you unique, and you should share that with the world. So naturally, the sauce bottle is a great way to communicate and recognize the brand's unique flair. But it's not our logo. It serves more as a recognizable mark. Our actual logo drives home our true passion, which is electric skateboarding. Isn't she dope? Kind of reminds me of someone. Okay, now that we gotten that out of the way, let's talk about our brand culture. Just stop. Okay. So our brand culture is something that I truly enjoy talking about because it really is amazing. In the sauce world, we encompass and embrace self-creative expression and community. So much so, we created our own term for it. #COOK, C-U-C, Co-Creative Unity Culture. Hold on, this is really good. Co-creative unity culture is the lifestyle of supporting, motivating, and encouraging others with the acknowledgement that every interaction is a subtle yet powerful collaboration of creative expression that can fuel positive, impactful change. In short, we all have the power to make impactful change, and it starts by supporting and encouraging one another. You never know who you may meet and how they could impact your life. Wow, that was deep. Well, that concludes our video for today. I really hope you enjoyed meeting the brand. Before you go, I want to remind you to hit the like button, comment down below, hit the subscribe, share this video with someone you would like to introduce to Eskate. Until next time, have fun, be safe, stay sauce. Thanks for watching. Bye.